Good morning children. I hope everybody is fine. First lesson we finished for the family. Now today we'll go for the next lesson. Before go to the next lesson, I want to talk with you something. So when you are studying for KG section, we are learning alphabets. Then any one of you, what other thing you are learning? Numbers. Then what else? Parts of the body. Very good. First in this one in KG section you read the alphabets, numbers, parts of the body. Sorry. PARTS, parts of the body. So let's see, when you are studying third standard, we want to remember what you studied previous classes, right? So in parts of the body, any one of you tell me? Yes, good, very good. So parts of the body, first what you Anelia, come and tell. Yes, parts of the body. Head. Then hands. Then legs. Good. Yes, come on everybody. One by one I want everyone to recall and remember. Everybody is having that one. Parts of the body everybody is having. Can you see others and can you hear yourself and you can say. So what we have to say next one? Head you don't know. In head only what is there? How many things are there? We can see first. We can see fingers, hands, legs, stomach, that's knee, elbow, chest, everything we are reading the parts of the body. Now in head what are there we can see. In head what are the things you are having? See here legs, mouth, okay. Here in head what are the things are there? Eyes. First one is eyes. Then nose, very good. N-O-S-E, nose. Then mouth. Say the spelling for mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Then ears. Very good. E-A-R-S. Then what is the thing in a mouth? What you are having? Tongue. What's the spelling for tongue? Come on, tell me. T-O-N. I want from you only. I don't want to write. T-O-N-T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Then what you are having? In head you are having eyes, nose, mouth, ears, tongue. You don't know. Hands, legs, stomach, head, neck, thighs, knees, everything. So in upwards what you are seeing there? Skin. Very good. Skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. Okay. In this one you can see in all this thing you can write out the particular parts in our body is called as sense organs. Sense organs. Now we can read the lesson as sense organs. Okay, what's the topic of the lesson? Are sense organs. O-U-R. Are sense. S-E-N-S-E. Sense organs. O-R-G-A-N-S. Why you are not telling sense organ? We are telling sense organs. Organ is singular. Organs are plural. More than one. What are the sense organs? Now we can see what are the sense organs. Now we can see what are the sense organs here. Eyes. First one is eyes. Okay. Second one is nose. Third one is ears. We have to write ear or ears. Tell me. You have to write for ear or ears. I am waiting for you. You have to say ear. What you have to say there? Here. then tongue, then tongue, then skin. What you wrote here extra? Mouth, generally you wrote mouth, but here we don't want mouth. Instead of mouth, you are writing here for tongue. So, we can rub this mouth and then we can keep other things for the sense organ. Now, okay children? Listen very good everybody. Everybody is having eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin? Yes. So, this one is called, all these things are called sense organs. What organs? Sense organs. What is the meaning of sense? What is the meaning of sense? To feel. What is the meaning of that one? To feel something for that one. What eyes are doing? Sense organs are the organs which help us to detect various stimulus generation in the surrounding. Stimulate. To feel. So, eyes, nose, ear, tongue, skin are the sense organs. So, what is sense organs definition? What is the use of eyes? What is the use of nose? What is the use of ear? What is the use of tongue? What is the use of skin? One little only we will see one by one. First we can go for here for the, here I wrote. Sorry, first we have to write eyes. For eyes, help. What is the eyes help us? You are seeing me, I am also seeing you, right? That says eyes. What the eyes is detected is seeing. Eyes help us to visual. Visual means to see. Visual means what? To see. Eyes visuals and detect various colors. Through eyes you can see the colors. So I can write a small point here for that one. To stimulate eyes help us to visualize and detect various colors. From here I write eyes. I hope that one you can see clearly on the board. Eyes helps us. H-E-L-P, helps. Eyes help us. Visual. V-I-S-U-A-L-I-O-U-S. Visuals means to see. Eyes visuals and detect various colors. Detect and detect. D-E. When you are writing, you have to be carefully learn the spelling also. Detect. D-E-T-E-C-T. Very good. Detect. Various means different. Various colors. V-A-R-I-O-U-S. Various colors. What's spelling for colors? Very good. C-O-L-O-U-R-S. Eyes helps us visualize and detect various colors. What is the next one? Nose. What is the next one? Nose. What is the nose is doing here? Nose help us to detect the smell. When mommy is doing some different varieties, in smell you can find it. What curry the mummy is preparing, whether it's a chicken or mutton or veg or non-veg, whatever it is. Which one is detected in our body? Nose. So, what we have to write here? Nose help us to detect the smell. Nose help us to detect. To detect means to find out. D-E-C-D-E-T-E-C-T. D-E, detect. D-E-T-E-C-T. Detects the smell. Detects the smell. S-M-E-L-L. Which one is doing the job? Which one is detected in our body? Nose. Next one we can go for the ear. Here I'll help us to hear the sounds. Yes or no? When I am telling, you can hear the sound. Which one is help us to ears? So here hears, help us, E-A-R, ear, H-E-L-P-S, help us to detect, D-E-T-E-C-T. Ear help us to detect what? Detect the sound. Detect the sound. S-O-U-N-D. Which one is doing the job? Here. What's the tongue? When you're eating something, it is yummy or tasty. We're telling no, it's very tasty, nice, delicious, and everything. Which organ is find out in our body? Tongue. So the tongue, what the tongue is help us to identify the various flavors of food. Various, V-A-R-I-O-U-S, various flavors. F-L-A-V-O-U-R-S, flavors of food. F-O-O-D. What is the meaning of various? Means different. Flavors means what? Come and tell me, one of you. Flavors means what? Taste. Flavors means what? Flavor. This taste. When you are buying ice cream, vanilla taste. Vanilla. Then tell me what are the difference? Orange, strawberry, and so that is the flavors of food. Which one is find out that one in our body? Tongue. What is the next one is? Skin. 4 we finish. Now the skin help us to sense the heat. Suppose heat and cold. Heat and cold or change in the environment. C-H-A-N-G. Change in the environment. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T. Environment. Okay. Now you can see there skin. When you touch, when you pinch, when you push, which one is feel that one? Skin. When it's outside, it's too hot. Which one feels? Skin. When you touch the chill water, cold water, you feel cold. So which organ is doing? Skin. So now we are seeing the sense organs. Here first one is eyes. Our eyes helps to visualize, means to see, isn't it? To visualize and detect. Well, we can with help of eyes only you can say red color, brown color, yellow color, green color. Everything we are telling about the eyes. So next one we are seeing for the nose. Here is the nose. It help us to detect the smell. Whether there is any fragrance, any good or bad, the smell is, you can feel this through the nose. Next one, ear. The ear, when I am talking, you are hearing. With the help of which organ? Ear. We can, through all the sounds, we can hear the ears. So, ear help us to detect the sound. Next one, various flavors of food detect by the tongue. Different, whether it's hot, kara, it's not tasty. That and all we are telling because of the tongue. It's too hot. Hot means spicy and everything we are telling, that and all is through the tongue. Next one, skin. Heat, cold and change the environment. Weather is so cold, I want sweater. So it's too hot, I don't want the other linen cloths, I want cotton cloths. We are telling it's every. So with how we can feel it, how we can detect it? Through the skin. So these are the sense organs in our body. We are sense and detect for all the difference with everything. So In eyes, what are seeing there? In eyes, we can seeing. Wait, here I rub that one. I'll see you. It will be very nice, very easy to remember. Eyes, what you are doing? Seeing. S-E-E-I-N-G. Seeing. In nose? In nose, what you are doing? Smelling. S-M-E-L-L-I-N-G. Smelling. Very good. Here, hearing. What's same spelling? You can hear. In here, you can hearing. What you are hearing there? When my sounds, you can hear. Hearing. E-A-R-I-N-G. Can hear. We should not say hearing also. We can hear. H-E-A-R. Isn't it? Instead of that one, we can write for hear. H-E-A-R. Okay, so children. Hearing is, this is called for hearing. Right. So, smelling. In here, you can hear. H-E-A-R. Right. So, next one, we are going for the tongue. Tongue, with tongue, what you are doing? Tasting. T-A-S-T-I-N-G. Tasting. Then skin. In skin, what you are doing? When you are touching. When you are touching, you can feel. Touching, you can feel. So, what you are through skin, touching. T-O-U-C-H-I-N-G. Hearing only. Hear means that's hearing. Okay. Tasting, touching. Through this sense organs, eyes, nose, ear, tongue, skin is called the sense organs. That is the, you know that what is deducting and what is you are using for that one. Okay children, we go to the next class and clearly we can see one by one. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you all.